What's up, everyone? Enzo here with Nitrolux Fuel. Let's get talking about the new Energy 2 V2 helicopter fuel from Nitrolux. Let's go. All right, here's what's changed for the new Nitrolux Energy 2 V2 helicopter fuel. So jumping right in, something that I wanted to go ahead and clarify for the new 2026 year and onward for the new fuel is that both 25 and 30% nitro content is remaining intact. That's not being changed or discontinued, so you can expect to continue to see both 25 and 30% nitro content offerings for those of you that fly only 90 size helis, only prefer to fly say a 25 over 30%, or want to have the option to have both. That is still going to be a thing into the new year, so we'll go ahead and get that one out of the way. So nitro contents are not changing. Moving in to the new fuel, one of the changes that we made was with pricing. So pricing has been updated, just the way things are with the industry as a whole, and things is, factors. The pricing is now the same. I know last year the 25% was a few bucks cheaper than the 30%. In this case, for the new fuel, it is the exact same cost. So it is $220 USD for a case of 4. I will say that again. A case of 4 5-liter jugs. So the jugs that you're seeing on the screen right now are 5 liters each. So with an order from BeachRC, they will come sold in a case of 4 5-liter jugs, totaling in 20 liters worth of fuel for both 25 and 30% offerings for $220 USD plus shipping. So I did want to get that one out of the way, was our pricing and how they're coming packaged. I know there was a little confusion with that when I made a little post on one of our groups, just kind of letting folks know that a new fuel was coming. So again, it's a case of 4 5-liter jugs for 20 liters total, $220 for both 25 and 30% case of fuel. So that is pricing. And then I want to talk a little bit about what was changed and what we worked on for the new fuel. So the big one is we really wanted to optimize the fuel to work really well in not only OS, as most of the pilots that are on the team for the US and both the European side fly OS, but we also wanted to be mindful that there's more than just OS out there, and that YS is another strong manufacturer in the nitro heli game. So we've gone ahead and optimized the fuel to work very well with not only OS engines, but also YS. So if you fly YS and you wanted a fuel that's more optimized and works really well, the feedback from the pre-production testing for the new fuel with YS has been very good. And again, you can expect the same Nitrolux performance that we've all been enjoying from last year's fuel in your YS mills now. So it's been optimized to work well there. That's the biggest one, is that really for the new fuel. Moving on, the next big change and update that we did is we played a lot with our lubrication package and our overall fuel delivery and fuel flow. For those of you that fly heavy 3D, very fast maneuvers, lots of loops and hurricanes, and even a lot of aggressive on the deck smack, you know how crucial it is to have a heli that remains ready to pull out of a maneuver, transition, and to not have that bog that happens sometimes. Well, it's really important to have a fuel that's flowing correctly when that fuel's washing around the tank, and we played very heavily with this. So for the new Energy 2 V2 fuel, we have gone ahead and updated our oil lubrication package from last year's 20% to now 2026 and onward. We've now increased our oil content to 23.5% oil. Again, last year's fuel was 20% oil. The new fuel will have 23.5% for both 25 and 30% offerings. And because of this, we know that an increase in oil can sometimes bog the motor down a little bit. It's more oil, might not clear out through the power range as much. So what we really worked on from increasing the oil is we wanted to have an engine and really an overall package that still had the power delivery of last year's 20% without hurting performance. So what we did is we played very heavily with our overall viscosity of our lubrication package. And I can tell you, not only from my flying and my testing that I did last year, but a lot of the team overseas, that it has been a massive increase in performance. The engine stays very consistent through continuous maneuvers such as any type of circuit or tick-tock or pyro-tock or power loops, anything that you could probably throw the fuel at and put your machine through. The fuel has been very consistent. A very consistent smoke trail through the motor, through very fast maneuvers when the disc is fully loaded, continuous maneuvers such as tick-tocks or anything of that nature, that healthy plume of smoke is there. And the moment that you need it to clear out and really push you through a punch out or anything of that nature, the fuel again has been very consistent there. I'm very happy with the gains. So I'm really happy to again be able to introduce the new Nitrolux Energy 2 V2 helicopter fuel, available at BeachRC.com for our US-based pilots. For European-based folks, please reach out to ModelXRacing.com. You can reach out to them for any type of dealer inquiries and information on ordering. Again, US-based pilots, you can expect $220 USD for a case of 4 5-liter jugs, 20 liters total. Again, shipping from BeachRC.com. And then something that I also wanted to mention for any US-based folks that own a hobby shop or are the president of their local flying club, or even want to get a really big bulk order in for themselves and a few of their friends, if you want, please go ahead and call BeachRC directly, or you can email Brent Densford. Go ahead and put his email in this video for you to pause and write down if you'd like. And you can organize any type of logistical ordering information with Brent, who is the owner of BeachRC. So again, I just wanted to make a quick video. I say quick, but it's 7 minutes, so I apologize for going a little bit too long. I just wanted to talk about the updates and revisions to the new V2 fuel. So quick summary, it's been optimized for OS and YS. We upped the oil content package for this year, but played with our fuel flow and overall efficiency of the nitro, I'd say. And then the last one is it's available and it's shipping now from BeachRC. So go ahead, get it over to BeachRC.com, get you a case of 25 or 30%, and go get your pull before we run out. So while supplies last, it is in stock as of the moment that this video drops. So thank you everyone for watching, and we will see you all at an event here in the US soon. Take care.